Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be going over the ES Autotrader. We haven't done any videos on this yet, but it is basically the same sort of thing as our NQ Autotrader, except it trades ES and it does have slightly different win rate, slightly different profits, and all that. So the back test on this in the past year was about $50,000 of profit with about a $4,500 drawdown. So pretty good results there. Not as much as the NQ, but we do sell it for cheaper. So we're just gonna be going over the past few days here and kind of just going over that. So all of our settings here, we post all these, but I'll show them to you here. So 66 on the stop loss, 20s on the take profit, and then our Ninja Renko bars are 75 and 3. And you can see on February 13th, we had a win and a loss. So we did get a loss there, which isn't a huge deal, right? And usually this is only going to take 1 to 2 trades a day because ES doesn't move as much, okay? So again, win here was about 4 points. Loss here was about, what is that, 15 points, okay? So, you know, it does have a high win rate, right? Around 85%. Moving on to February 14th, we had a 4 contract winner because of this one contract loss. We took a 4 contract the next trade. And again, you can change that in the settings. Okay, so if you want it to keep taking 1 contract, you can. If you want to take 2, you can do that. So you can change all that. But the way I have it defaulted is 4 contracts for the next trade if it loses. And then if the 4 contract lost, it would take a 12. Okay, so it did win the 4 contract, and it was about 5 points. So 5 points on ES is about $250. 4 contracts, it's about $1,000. Okay, so about $1,000 here, and then another win for 5 points. So this is about a $1,200 day. Okay, and this day you would have been down, you know, about $500. So overall up about $750 in 2 days. The 15th here, you would have wanted to turn this off, seeing that there wasn't a lot of bars formed, but there was no trades anyway. Moving on to the February 16th here, we had 1 win, which was about, again, 4.5, 5 points, which is going to be about $250 or so on ES. So now we're up about $1,000 in 4 days. The 18th, we had no trades. Again, this doesn't take nearly as many trades as the NQ does, but it still works really well. So, okay, now on to February 20th. The 19th was right here. We had no trades that day either. February 20th, we had a win for 5 points. So now we're up $1,500, I believe, total. And then another win for 5 points, which is, again, now we're up about $1,700. So 2 wins again here. And again, this is fully automated. On February 21st, we had a 5-point winner. So now we're up about 2K, which is, again, very, very good. And then moving on, February 22nd, we had 3 wins. So that would be about $750 total on the 22nd of February in 2024. So now we're up about $2,700, which is pretty good, if I say so myself. And again, this is when you reload the chart, you might get slightly different fills, but it's going to be the same basically. So like if you were running this real time, you might get a little bit of slippage, but it'd basically be the exact same. In ES, you really shouldn't get much slippage. Happens more in NQ. So up about $2,700 here after 3 wins in a row, and then another win here for 5 points. So that puts us at about 3K. And then today is February 25th. Actually, today's February 26th. Sorry. So we had 1 win here this morning. For again 5 points, so that puts us right around $3,200 profit. From February 26th all the way till February 13th. So in about 13 actual days, we had $3,200 of profit. So that's half of the month, roughly, right? Total, we had 1 win, 1 loss here. So we'll just count the total wins, because that was the only loss. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 wins and 1 loss in the past 13 days, totaling about $3,200 of profit. So if you guys want to check out the algo, just join the Discord. I'll put a link in the description as well. Very good algo. It's pretty cheap for what you get. Okay, and we provide all the settings. But if you guys have any questions, please join the Discord, drop a like, drop a sub, and peace out, boys.